I am G.R. Shushankar, General Secretary, Trade Union Coordination Center, that is TUCC, the labor wing of All India Forward Bloc, founded by Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose, the party founded by Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose. Today, the conditions of the working people in the country is very, very, very bad. And COVID 19, when the pandemic is so vigorously happening in the country and the whole world, using this, the government of India bringing out lot of changes in the labor enactments. The government is already planning diluting the labor laws, making 44 labor laws into 4 codes. Already the wage issue has already been passed. Why it is happening? The government is not very much concerned about the issues of the workers. They are helping the corporate companies and multinational companies in the country. Corporate companies already looting the wealth of the country and the labor which they are putting, the labor, their work, and they are making a huge money. On the other hand, they are not helping the workers. This is clearly shows the intention of the corporate and multinational companies. Government openly they are supporting those companies, denying all the rights of the workers. The present situation in the country, I think everybody has witnessed in the country, the vast number of migrant employees, what the amount of pain they have taken. 96% of the workers are all unorganized sector, working in different sectors in the country, starting from construction to all level. And those workers, in particularly in the COVID-19, they face innumerable problems. They are not properly got any kind of facilities like transport and the food. By barefoot, they are walking to their places. And already some of them, they have lost their lives, valuable lives. But government of India is not concerned. And by having this, now the new strategy for helping the multinationals and corporate companies, they are planning to introduce particularly the 8 hours duty, 8 hours to 12 hours duty, though it is a commitment, ILO commitment of our this thing in 144, that has been totally violating. Already Gujarat and 6 other states, yesterday the UP government has brought an ordinance and suspending 3 years all the labor laws. It clearly shows the BJP government what is their intention. Like other states also, they are planning to introduce this 8 to 12 hours duty. This is a clear direction in BJP's agenda. They are not helping the people of this country, working people of this country. They are only helping the bureau, the particularly multinationals and corporate sectors. And all these 44 labor laws, which they achieved the workers through the continuous struggle. And today, even 144, recently when we celebrated the May Day, 134 years back in Chicago city, where lakhs of people lost their lives for getting only 8 hours duty. So the achievement of this May Day is 8 hours. It is not a simple thing. It is a continuous struggle. The working people of the world has achieved this one. But now, the government of India and the other states which ruled by the BJP government already planning to introduce this amendment. Already our TUC has written on 8/4/2020 a letter to the Prime Minister stating don't take any hasty decision because it is a ILO Convention 144 that already it has been taken. This unfair thing should not be required. That letter has already indicated. And also you can see the multinationals. Multinationals even in the COVID-19. What is their contribution? I written a letter to the Prime Minister questioning what is their contribution in the COVID-19. And multinationals in all sectors in our country, they came and they're making a profit and they're looting our people's energy and people power. And by using our people, and they're taking a huge amount of profit and they're not spending a single pie for the COVID-19. Those clearly shows the mollified intention of these people. But Government of India wanted to help these people. But today, not only TUCC, with all our central trade unions, we have all decided we will not tolerate this one. And the Government of India, whatever the methods and the destruction methods of the destabilizing our trade union movement and unity of the workers, all these kinds of things that what they are planning, we are not allowed. The trade union movement in the country is very strong. Since even in 1931, our great leader Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose was also a trade union leader. So the commitment of the trade union movement in this country is very great. And we will not tolerate and we will not allow whatever Modi is planning to destabilize our system, particularly the trade union enactment, we will not allow to implement. So we once again request the Government of India, kindly just don't take a hasty decision as far the labor laws is concerned. This is the view of the TUCC.